how to go from this to this. My wife used to hang her purse on the coat closet doorknob like this for years. I love command hooks, so I kept thinking there must be a nice looking one that we could use to fix this problem. And lo and behold, there is. Check out this awesome shiny command hook. Here's a quick look at the instructions on the back to show you how to hook it on the wall. First, choose where you want to place the hook. I chose right here on the wall so it's still convenient for my wife. Next, you want to clean the area where you're going to put the hook. You can use a wet wipe or a damp paper towel or cloth. Here's the adhesive that you'll apply to the hook. It's nice because they give you two just in case you mess up one the first time. You can see you'll place the adhesive on the back of the hook. Now it's ready to stick on the wall. Now, after you've found the position of where you want the hook, you push down till it sticks to the wall. And then you should pop the hook off by just pulling it upwards and then push down for probably about 30 seconds. Then test the hook to make sure it's stuck on there well. And now it's time to test it out. Grab the purse and hang it on the hook. It works great. Now, no more purse hanging on the doorknob. Success! Click the link in the description to go buy a command hook for your project.